my vault, blessings that flow without a halt. I smell the scent of kingdom grace. I see abundance take its place. Let the gold of heaven touch my floor. Let clients knock and open more. With open hearts and lifted hands, angelic prayer shifts the sands. Say, angel, deliver now. No lack, overflow, wow. Overflow, wow.
Come with speed, testimony,
Plant the seed,
miracle, don't delay.
too late.
Lift up,
Find my way. This is angelic prayer, where sound becomes wealth. Open the briefcase, no more lack. Every lost thing is coming back.